Hey guys, it's Kelly. Hey, I was playing with my Gelli Plate the other day because it's been a while since I've busted that out, and that is awesome for making quick backgrounds. I don't think I recorded that one, but here's some of the results that I've already cut down, and I'm really happy with them. I used regular Distress ink and Distress Oxide inks. I was really happy with the way that some of these came out. Some of these are just once I put the ink on, then I use my brayer and I go over it, and then I have a separate sheet of paper where I actually clean off my brayer. Some of these were clean off prints, and I really liked them. So, yeah, they were 110 pound. Some of them might be 90 pound. But yeah, and then this was when I got my my cloud stencil, so I was playing with that. So I thought I'd save these because I could use them for maybe a card or something. And then this one is nice and soft. I really like how that one turned out. So I'm just going to go through and show you guys these. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. I like using them for art journals, but these could be really nice backgrounds for cards. This one's fun. I really like, it said seedless preserves, and then I think it had wild honey. All kinds of colors in there. And it was so cool. I love the way that that works. No one can duplicate this. It's kind of similar to like alcohol ink. I love playing with alcohol ink. But this was Oxide inks on my Gelli Plate. It's super cool. Some of the lines are in there. I don't care. I think it's kind of awesome. If I don't like it, I could just cut it to size for something else. This one had some chipped sapphire and I don't remember, but got a little brown. But we could probably work out something, use it for a die cut or something. And then this one has a little bit more green, a nice green tone. I like that one. This one was second generation. Nice and light. It makes me think of Easter. This one was the first go round to where you can actually see the stamp pads. I kept it anyway because I thought I could use pieces of it. If not, I don't care. It's no big deal. I was just playing. And that is basically a purple one. Chip sapphire, I think that is. And then this one was second generation, I believe. Sprayed with some water and then just was sopping it up. I kind of like the nice subtle tone of that one. This was the second go with, you can actually see the ink things on there. And I'll figure out something to do with it. No big deal. I really like that pink down there. And then this was just cleaning up. No big deal. This was again cleaning up what was on my mat. I just kind of swiped it through, and then it kind of has like a watery ocean feel to it. I like that one. And then this one is leaning more towards nighttime. Not sure what I'll do with all of these, but I'll figure something out. This one was, I was doing a lot of layering, and I was actually doing my sprays, ink oxide sprays, on backgrounds. So I was just kind of playing with this one. Not crazy how it came out, but we'll see what happens. And then this one, again, I was layering just to see how far I could go, because with the oxides, because the way that they're made, the chemistry of it, the pigment can lay on top. So you can put a color on top of a color and you still get that true color. Unlike the other ones where they will all mix together and then you wind up with mud. Well, these will blend if you want them to, but you can actually dry and put color on top of color and so on. And then this one was again with the ink oxide sprays. I just got them, so I was just spraying in my splat box, playing around with it. And then this was one of my favorites, believe it or not. This is from the cleanup. So this is just the brayer on an extra sheet of paper. And I really love how it kind of shades into the blue like that. It's so unique. And then it has almost a plaid pattern to it. Almost. I thought that was pretty cool. So I'll find something to do with all of these. But, you know, I use them for die cutting, things like that. But some of these are just gorgeous. Some of these I really want to put on a card. I just made these flowers that I got from Amazon. There was a die on Amazon. It was very affordable. Comes with the leaves. I just stacked it up and put a center in it. So one of these would be really pretty on a card. So I'm not sure which one. Maybe that one. But these are really pretty for a card background. And this one is cool. I really like how that one turned out. It's got such subtle variations. Oh, love it. And then again, I can't get enough of that one. But yeah, I'm going to play with these and figure out what I'm going to do. I'll probably make a card with some dimension with one of these flowers. And then if so, I will have a tutorial and I'll post that. But I wanted to show you, don't forget about your Gelli Plate. Jennifer McGuire was playing with hers finally. I guess she had never played with it and she's had it for a while. It's kind of how things go sometimes. But she busted that sucker out and she was going to town. She went to town and made so many cards. And it was great because I was watching what she was doing and it inspired me to get my Gelli Plate out. And this was great color therapy. I found some colors that I didn't like, that didn't work, and some like absolutely gorgeous, one of a kind. Like this is like, I've seen this in designer paper for real. This kind of, the way that things are flowing together like that. Oh, it's gorgeous. So anyway, if you have your Gelli Plate, try it. If not, spray some ink right down here and swipe it through and call it a day. All right, thanks for watching, guys. More to come.